What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm back today helping Matt out. What are we doing this morning?
Shit, we're gonna go make a screamer pipe real quick. We'll weld a diff up for the S14 and pop into the tuners and drop some stuff off.
Sweet. So your R34 is getting tuned today and the wastegate screamer pipe that we're getting made is for that.
Yeah.
Because pretty much at the moment it's just pointing straight at the
chassis rail. I forgot all about it.
Alright, so we got the screamer pipe welded up and greatest welder was it?
No, the welder's fucked, run out of gas actually.
So yeah, it's gonna somewhat work with the dyno. But he's gonna have to definitely get a new one made up. There's been a bit of an issue, hasn't there?
Yeah, so it turns out the engineer that I got to do my MAF adapter for my R35 put it in the wrong way around. So we're just shooting to the tuners to grab the pipe, take it to the engineer, cut it out, put a new one in. The right way.
We're actually taking it to Robbie's. He's going to be welding it up. Did he weld it the first time?
Nah, I got someone private to do it the first time because I was in a hurry.
Yeah, so we're taking it to Robbie to get it done properly. Stopped off at NZEFI. What'd you pick up?
That's a fucking new flange, mate. It's a bit different to the old one though.
So that's the flange that was on there, and it's what, just round the wrong way?
Yeah, it's meant to go on that way. Into the pipe.
Alright, so we're down to Robbie's and Andy's just going to go over this real quick because
pretty good.
It's pretty boogery, isn't it?
That's right.
This one might die. Some of these. You got 3-inch hose clips though, eh?
I'll tighten up, bro, don't worry.
The mount shop will sell you 76 to 70 mil reducer, or you got a BC direct.
BC direct like close as.
Yeah, BC just around the corner. For a tune, for right now, today we'll just tighten the hose clamps up.
It's only the intake, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably right.
Yeah, and that's literally the only pipe. So that's from plenum to intercooler.
Oh, do you not have a pod filter on at the moment?
Oh no, that's the intake side, so that's cold side. Intercooler.
Oh, have you got it inside? Oh, okay. Yeah. Wrap some tape around it. Fatten it up.
There's the P-clamps up to it.
Nah, just put some RTV in there, mate. It'll do the trick. Hey, that's what Robbie always says, kids, RTV intake pipes.
I'm not sure where that's coming from. Yeah, I just paid $50 for it and you're telling me it's shit.
Yeah, look at it.
Versus that one there come with the R35 map and it was like $200 for the kit with the plug.
Where'd the
and
map
everything.
come from?
Trade me. Alan Speed Performance.
They are.
It's halfway through doing it, it's just randomly stops.
Just gonna cool it down so I can do the next part.
What hoariness are you about to do?
Nothing.
It's
What are you
not
about to do?
hoariness, it's called getting the job done for the tuner, bro. It's about
Hoariness was getting your car in, eh?
Which one?
Yes.
Alright, so got both things done, then we're ready to head back to the dyno.
Go get it done, eh?
It's bloody close to the downpipe.
Yeah, perfect, mate. Nah, to kick back off it a wee bit in a second. That screaming pipe was built to go in there, bro.
Oh wow. That wound up being perfect.
Yeah.
Do you want just a ratchet or?
Oh, yeah, I mean, if you can do fancy things like that around here, it's good, man.
Alright, while Jeff's working on that, trying to get it to start and run properly, we're going to shoot off and go and do some other things. Got to go back to Matt's first, and I'm going to finish off editing a video and upload it, and then we're going to go and pick up a diff for Jackson's S14.
Bro, we need a feed. I'm starving.
Yeah, we're going to get a feed right now. We're pretty hungry. Right, so it's a new day now. Last night we
got carried away.
Yeah, we got carried away. We ended up prepping this thing for paint. That was a spare of the moment decision at like, what, 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon.
Yeah, pretty much got it.
I didn't bother filming it. You guys have seen so much paint prep work in the last few videos, so I decided that it wasn't worth filming that. Currently, we're about to put the diff back in it. So this is the freshly welded diff. Oh shit. And you wouldn't believe it, guys, but Jackson actually does work on his own cars.
What?
How often does Jackson work on his own car?
When it's getting sanded. That's the only time. Unless it's an SR, he'll work on an SR because he doesn't care about them.
Just chuck me a wrench at first. I just want to make sure they're not cross-threading. Feels kind of tough.
As in, like, you're putting in coarse threads and it had fines in it?
You try. I don't want to cross-thread it.
I don't know exactly what was just happening there. The weld off inside the subframe.
Hey?
Just write the weld off inside the subframe. Got the spanner over there?
Why did you send it home?
Because I thought it'd just go in. I'll tap the other side in a minute, all good.
It's about a week later now. I don't even know where we're at with this video. I think the last point we got up to was Matt sent the bolt home in the subframe and broke the bolt, but quite a lot has happened since then. The car's been painted and it's got a complete new rear end, so it's been painted. I think I did mention it earlier in the video that we were sanding it. I think it was actually sanded when we pulled the subframe and stuff out.
Yeah, I think it might have been actually, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I can't remember. But yeah, you buggered off for the weekend to do other things in Kaikoura and stuff, so the boys come over, whack the subframe in, whack the arms in and stuff, but it needs a nut and bolt check, and then it needs to go for a wheel alignment, and yeah, randomly it fell into a tin of black paint. Fuck, it looks good.
Yeah, this looks so much better than the purple. I was a fan of the purple, I did like it, but just something about a black S14.
Yeah.
And when the VSKFs are on too, that looks so good.
Yeah.
I'm going to jump right into finishing off the boys' work that they've done on Jackson's S14. What I need to do is, by the looks of it, I need to chuck axle bolts in, drive shaft bolts, and I pretty much just need to go over everything and tighten it up. This is actually my old subframe out of my drift car, and this has solid GK Tech diff bushes in it. The solid GK Tech bushes actually raise the subframe up about 20 mil, so we actually need to raise the suspension a little bit, which is actually good because that means Jackson's car can sit at the same height that it used to be, but the arms will actually be on a better angle for traction when it squats down under load. Right, this video is taking a bit of a turn, but Matt's R34 is back from the tune. We're gonna go for a play around the block.
Clutch slipping.
Oh, yeah.
Need to put a new thing on the clutch. That aren't tight somewhere, but I think it's just the exhaust.
deserve it, man. You deserve to have a car going again. Ooh. This thing sounds so good too.
Clutch broke down hard. Braking traction and slipping.
So how much did it end up making in the end?
386. We did a 427 but dialed it down because it was just non-stop slip.
Yeah.
So new clutch, new ECU, 500.
And that is pretty much going to wrap it for this video, guys. There's just a couple of things that I quickly want to talk about. In a video last week, I said that I had brought a new car and that video was going to be going up on Sunday. I got the car, but I decided to delay the video a couple of days just because I wanted to get a bit of a plan together. We have a hectic couple of weeks ahead of us. We're gonna get it done really quickly. I'm not gonna say too much more in this video, but yeah, tomorrow night that video will go up and you guys will be able to see the car for the first time. Matt's R34 is sick, tune's done, and yeah, it runs good. So happy to see that thing going. Good, happy for him that he finally has the car going again. We sorted Jackson's rear subframe out, we got the new diff in, and everything all tightened up, and that thing is ready to go. But yeah, like I said, that's gonna wrap it for this one, guys. Cheers for watching. You know the deal, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.